Good morning. Welcome to a new week. Let's get started by singing hello to all our pre-K friends. Let us sing hello to Justin, how are you? Let us sing hello to Butch, how are you? Let us sing hello to John, let us sing hello to Safa, let us sing hello to Mia, how are you? Let us sing hello to Joey, how are you? Let us sing hello to Jack, how are you? Let us sing hello to Harper, let us sing hello to Nellie, let us sing hello to Frida, how are you? Let us sing hello to Drew, how are you? Let us sing hello to Cora, how are you? Let us sing hello to Gavin, let us sing hello to Luca, let us sing hello to Liam, how are you? Let us sing hello to Emma, how are you? Let us sing hello, Miss Pia, how are you? Let us sing hello to Mary. Let us sing hello, Floral Park. Let us sing hello to the world. How are you? And a bump. Well, welcome. It's so nice to be back with you again. I had a fun time with you folks. If you were able to come on the Zoom call Friday morning, on Friday afternoon. It was great hearing all the wonderful things that you had to say about your moms. I hope you all had a special Mother's Day and that you treated your mom like a queen, because she deserves it, right? Alrighty. We're still in the same month. Begins with that letter M, and M makes the sound. So what's the name of this month? May. Did you remember it was May? Good job, my friends. The month is May. Let's figure out the day. Let's sing our Day of the Week song. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days, 7 days. The week has 7 days. The last time we saw each other on the Zoom call, it was Friday, May 8th. And then you stayed home on the weekend, Saturday, Sunday. And so the next day, today is Monday. Good for you. Did you notice that Monday starts with the same letter and the sound as May? Monday. Letter M. Who would have thought? All right, so today's Monday, but we have to still figure out the number. Now, yesterday's number was May 10th. May 10th. So, you want to take a guess? What do you think comes next after 10? Think when you're counting. What do you think comes next? Let's count and find out. When we count, we always start with number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did you say 11? Awesome counting. Awesome guessing if you guessed 11. Now, before I put 11 up there, let's take a look at the picture pattern. I'm thinking we may have enough pictures today to definitely figure out the pattern. So let's sing it together. Watermelon, watermelon, ladybug. Watermelon, watermelon, ladybug. Watermelon, watermelon, ladybug. Watermelon. Did you say watermelon? I think you might be right if you said watermelon. Let's check it out and see if 11 is on a watermelon picture. There it is, number 11, 1 with a 1 next to it, and it is a watermelon. So today is Monday, May 11. And And to start off May 11th, we're going to talk about what is the weather, weather, weather. What do the weather children say today? What do you think? Since I got up this morning, it's been crazy. We've had all kinds of different weather. Since I've been up, it has been sunny, cloudy. There's been a little bit of rain and some wind. So I think we need to put them all up because depending on when you are watching this video, it could be any one of these things. So let's say today it is sunny and cloudy and rainy and windy. The weather people say it's sunny, cloudy, rainy, and windy today. I hope you folks had a chance to look at Miss Pia's video today. She had a fun craft for you to do related to our letter N. And remember, Mary told you one of her favorite N words is nest. So Miss Pia had a nest craft activity and a game that you can play with your nest. And going along with that theme, I thought it would be fun to read a book today about birds, because who lays eggs in a nest but birds? And I've been noticing, at least in my backyard, I've had all kinds of birds coming to visit. And it's so fun to sit by my kitchen. I have a door in my kitchen. I can look right out in my backyard. And I just sit there and I watch. And the birds come in all shapes, sizes, colors. It's really fun. So let's read this book about birds. This was written by Kevin Henkes. And remember, we call the person who writes the words the author. And what do we call the person who draws the pictures? Do you remember that big word? The illustrator. Good for you. The illustrator is the person who draws the pictures. So Kevin Henkes wrote the words, and Laura Dronzek drew the pictures. Birds. Oh, there's some beauties. And these flowers on the tree look like the blossoms that are coming out on a lot of the trees here in Floral Park. I don't know if you've noticed that. Lots of beautiful illustrations in this book. In the morning, I hear birds singing through my open window. Birds can be yellow, or blue, or brown, or red, or even green, I think. Sometimes they are so black you can't see their eyes or their feathers. You just see their shape. Birds can be big or little. He's a tiny one. Or any size in between. Once I saw 7 birds on a telephone wire. Should we count them to make sure there's 7? Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, there are 7 there. They didn't move. And they didn't move. And they didn't move. I looked away for just a second. I just turned my head for a second. And they were gone. They sat there and sat there and sat there very still. And then all of a sudden, they were gone. If birds made marks with their tail feathers when they flew, think what the sky would look like. It would be zigzags, beautiful colors and zigzaggy shapes. If clouds were birds, the sky would look like this. And at night, maybe it would look like this. Beautiful. Sometimes in winter, a bird in a tree looks like one red leaf left over. Do any of you know what we call those red birds? They do stay in the wintertime, and you can always see them because they're bright, bright red. Do you know what they're called? cardinals. Is that a word you've ever heard before? Have you heard that bird name? I bet you have. Cardinals are beautiful. If there were lots of birds in one tree and they all fly away at the same time, it looks like the tree yelled, "Surprise!" Like a surprise party. If I were a bird, I'd ask, where do all the other birds go when it's stormy and they can't get home to their nests? That's a very good question. I've never asked a bird before. I like to pretend that I'm a bird, but I can't really fly. But there is something that I can do that birds do. I can sing. And I know that you folks are beautiful singers. And so when you're out in the yard and you see birds, maybe someday you'll decide to sing along with them. And I bet it will be a beautiful, beautiful sound. Before we go, I had an idea. I was thinking about how fun it is to go and look for different kinds of birds. So I thought, wouldn't it be fun to go bird watching? But to go bird watching, you need something called binoculars. And that helps your eyes to focus in on just the one bird or the two birds that you're looking at. It kind of closes everything else out and gives you close-ups of a bird. So I thought it would be fun to make our own binoculars. And you can do it very easily by using 2 toilet paper rolls. So the next time your family finishes a roll of toilet paper, save the roll. And if you have 2, you can take the 2 of them and staple them together like this. If you want to just leave them this whitish gray color, that's fine. Or if you want them to be a color, you could always paint them if you have paint at your house, or you could color them with crayons or markers. And then when they're dry, you can hold them up to your eyes and go bird watching. And look up, 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 up into the trees, or maybe down, down, down into a bush. It's very fun looking through your binoculars. And if it's going to be too long before you get 2 toilet paper rolls, you can just use 1. And that would be a telescope. Let me see, I'm going to take it apart now. You can look through 1 and you can still go bird watching with just 1 telescope. And one more thing, if your grown-up has extra time, you could even punch holes into 1 hole in the side of this one, 1 hole in the side of that one, and attach a string. This way you can wear your binoculars around your neck because you're not always going to be seeing birds. So they could be hanging around your neck, and then when you see a bird in the distance, you can pick them up, look through the holes, and then put them back down again. And this way your hands are free to do other things. Just wear those binoculars around your neck the next time you go for a walk. I don't know if you're going to need them or not, but if you see a bird, you'll have them around your neck. So I thought that would be something fun that you could do so that you could go bird watching. That's it for our video for the calendar and the weather and the story. But there's going to be another video that you can watch. I'm going to be going over some activities for our latest nursery rhyme, because I think today's the last day for this nursery rhyme, and then we're going to be starting a new one. So how about I read the nursery rhyme, and then that will get you excited to check the next video to see what activities Mary has for you to do along with the nursery rhyme. I'm just going to read it from one of the books. You know that the nursery rhyme came in Mary's 2 nursery rhyme books. But I'm just going to read this one because the pictures are the biggest, and I think they're the easiest to sing. This nursery rhyme was called Baa Baa Black Sheep. So let's see if you folks remember it and sing it, because you have beautiful singing voices, right? Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. 1 for my master and 1 for my dame, and 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? sir, yes, sir. 3 bags full. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget, check out Miss Pia's video for the nest craft, and check out my other video to do the sheep. I have 2 sheep activities for you to do. Alrighty? Goodbye. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you on Friday's Zoom call. Have a great week, my friends.